What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hello, my name is Zarmani, but my channel name is IEnvy. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to do your individual lashes at home using beauty supply store lashes. If you want to learn how to do yours at home, then keep on watching. And before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, because if you don't want to see more of me now, you're gonna want to see more of me later. That's what girls be saying. And I'm gonna pull one of those too, because it's true. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Today I'm gonna be using the brand IEnvy on my lashes, and I'm gonna be using the ultra black knot free short, ultra black knot free medium, and triple black knot free long. So I'm using short, medium, and long basically. And some of them are missing, of course, because I use these lashes. I used them before. So what you're gonna need is the lashes, the IEnvy lashes. You're gonna need your tweezers, some regular old slanted tweezers, and you're gonna want a little mirror. You wanna get real up close and personal when you're doing your lashes. You don't wanna do it in like a faraway mirror because you can't see what you're doing. What I'm gonna do is so you want to start with clean lashes, no gunk, no glue, none of that. And I go with my short lashes and my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive Glue. And I pluck one lash from the package. And this is how you should hold it on the tweezers. It helps. You don't want to hold it any type of way. Make sure you're holding it straight up. And you want to dot the glue on the edge of the lash. And then when you apply it, when you go to get them professionally done, they put it on your lash. But I kind of apply it on my lash and my eyelid, so I know for sure that they're gonna stay on. And you can see me doing it carefully. Make sure you're not putting the glue in your eye, none of that. You don't want none of that. And then just to make sure that the lash is on there, I go in with my fan. It will be linked down below. I hold it over my lash and make sure the glue dries clear. So then I kind of go in and do an outline. So I put a small lash in the corner of my eye, a medium lash in the middle of my eye, and a long lash on the outside of my eye. And you'll see me do that in a little bit, but you can kind of see it right here. This just helps make sure that both of your lashes on both of your eyes are the same, because you can apply it where one eye looks bright and then the other eye makes your eye look low, if that makes any sense. You can see right here where I put small lashes in the corner, medium lashes in the middle, and long lashes on the end of my eye. And I go in with long lashes like anywhere, like in the middle of my eye or closer to the edge of my eye, just depending on the look that I want. But I just do this method just to make sure that both of my eyelashes on both eyes end up looking the same. Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna come back to y'all when I have to tell y'all anything else. But yeah. So here coming up in a second, you'll see me wiping off my tweezers. You want to make sure you keep doing that, because what I kept encountering was that the glue kept making my lash stick to the tweezers more than my eyelash, and you don't want that. So I'm telling you now, make sure you keep your tweezers clean, wipe them off every second you get, because it will be annoying if you don't. So then I go in with my spoolie, make sure I'm brushing out my eyelashes, make sure they're not clumped together. Using water actually helps. Use like a little bit of water on the spoolie, wipe it off on your hand, and then go in and brush your lashes. Then, this is a new trick I found, especially with beauty supply eyelashes. They don't have a curl. So what I did was I went in with my eyelash curler and I curled them. And as you can see, it made them look completely different. Like, it really added the pop for me. It did it for me. Then I go back and forth with my spoolie. I go in between brushing the lashes and curling the lashes, brushing them, curling them, brushing them, curling them, until I get the results that I want. And that's pretty much it. I actually like how they turned out. Usually when I do my individual lashes, I don't do the curl method, but this time, boo, it did it for me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I didn't do the other eye on camera. But this is the end results. I really like how it turned out. It was so cute. 10 out of 10, would recommend. It takes about 30 to 45 minutes to do. Not that long to me because I've been doing it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys try this out. And yeah, voice over Zamani out of here. So y'all, this is the end results of the lashes. I think they turned out real nice. I think it turned out real cute. I curled them because if you don't know, when you put on individual beauty supply lashes, they usually don't have a curl. It's just a straight lash or a loose curl. So I wanted to be like that kind of D curl, C curl thing that they be doing when you get individual lashes from Amazon. So I went ahead and curled them with my eyelash curler, and it's my first time doing it. And I think it is nice. It make it look like not so beauty supply store, you know. These were some good lashes. I will say they did curl nicely, and the glue I used, it was nice as well. They're still on there. When I do this, it usually lasts me about 3-4 weeks max, which is good because when you get your lashes done professionally, you got a week to go get them filled in again, a week or 2 to go get them filled in again. And if you wait like 3 and 4 weeks, you got to pay more. So this is how much it cost me to do this at home, and this is how much it costs to get done. Yeah, almost $100 to $200. I mean, if you got the money like that, then by all means do it. But I ain't got no money to be spending all this money on a Red Lobster child. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. And go watch my vlog. If you haven't watched my at-home mini maintenance vlog, then you should go watch that. And yeah, I will talk to you guys next time.